Hello everyone! I'm Sarah and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing 10 facts about the United States of America that you probably didn't know. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Libraries. The US has more public libraries than McDonald's restaurants. With over 17,000 public libraries across the country, it's easy for anyone to access books, educational resources, and other materials. Fact number 2. $1 bill. The Great Seal of the United States, which appears on the back of the $1 bill, includes a pyramid with an eye on top, which is said to symbolize the power of the government. Fact number 3. Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore, located in South Dakota, is a national monument featuring the faces of 4 of the country's most prominent presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Fact number 4. Land area. The United States of America is the third largest country in the world by land area, with a total area of over 9.8 million square kilometers. The country is bordered by Canada to the north and Mexico to the south. Fact number 5. Highways. The United States has one of the largest highway systems in the world, stretching over 160,000 miles or 257,495 kilometers, connecting all of the country's states. Fact number 6. Wright brothers. The first successful flight by the Wright brothers took place in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina in 1903. This event is widely considered as the birth of powered flight. Fact number 7. Coastline. The United States is home to the longest coastline in the world, stretching over 19,924 miles or 32,064 kilometers along the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Fact number 8. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone National Park, located in Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, is the first national park in the world, established in 1872. Fact number 9. Wine. The United States is one of the largest producers of wine in the world, with wine production centered mainly in California. Fact number 10. Statue of Liberty. The iconic Statue of Liberty, located on Liberty Island in New York City, was a gift from the people of France to the United States and was dedicated on October 28, 1886. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about the United States that you probably didn't know. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe for more interesting content like this. See you soon!